Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixStudios. Today in this video, I'm going to go and show you how to transfer data between your PlayStation 4 and your PlayStation 5 using your Wi-Fi network. So let's go ahead and jump the video right now. So it's very easy to transfer save data or game data between your PlayStation 4 and your PS5 just using the Wi-Fi network. So let's get started. Now first you have to sign in with the same profile on your PlayStation 4 and your PlayStation 5. So let's go ahead and just sign in to both of those accounts right now and type in my password. No one look. Now that we're signed in, we have to be connected to the network. So make sure you're connected to the Wi-Fi or with an Ethernet cord, connect to your router. So you'll know you're connected when you can see your friends list just like that. And I can see I'm connected there. And on my PlayStation 4, I can bring up my friends list also and see that I am online. So now on my PlayStation 5, we need to go up to settings and select this. And then scroll on down to system and select system. Then at the top it says system software. Go down to data transfer right here and select that option. Now it says transfer data from your PlayStation 4 to your PS5. You can transfer only your own data. You can't transfer other users' data. Transferring data won't remove it from your PS4. Data stored in USB extended storage won't be transferred. So let's go to continue. Transferring data. It says make sure your PS4 is turned on. Both your PS4 and PS5 are connected to the same network. To complete the transfer faster, use a wired LAN cable. Now you can connect a LAN cable directly from your PS5 to your PS4. Just go ahead and connect them to the back of the consoles. So let's go to continue now and select that option. It says prepare for data transfer, searching for your PS4. Please wait. Now on your PlayStation 4, you have to go to the power button and press the power button and hold it down for 1 second until you hear a beep. So let's do that. I heard a beep. Now my PlayStation 4 will go ahead and restart. And the power button is the button on the top. And my PlayStation 4 is restarted. And on my PS5 it says prepare for data transfer. Please wait. Now this process can take like 4 to 5 minutes. So just be patient, and we will be able to transfer our save data and our game data. So my PlayStation 4 is now displaying the screen that says transfer data to another console. Preparing for transfer. Now my PlayStation 5, it says trophy information isn't synced with PlayStation Network. After the transfer is complete, it's recommended that you sync your trophy data with PlayStation Network. To do this, go to the home screen on your PS4 and select trophies. So let's go to continue. Now select the saved data you want to transfer. You can go to select all at the top. Otherwise, everything that is grayed out is something that's already on your PlayStation 5. So for me, everything's grayed out, so I can't transfer any data for the saved data. So I'm just going to go to next. And it says games and apps will be transferred to your PS5 console storage. If you want to store your games and apps in the M.2 SSD storage, move them there after the data transfer is complete. Okay. Now I can choose the game I want to transfer. So let's choose Deep Rock Galactic and maybe Spotify. Then go to next once you choose the games that you want to go ahead and transfer. And then it'll give you an estimated amount of time for your save data on the left, then for your games on the right. So over the Wi-Fi, it's going to do about 4 minutes for the estimated amount of time. So let's go to start transfer now. And it's preparing for the transfer. Now it's going to go through like this percentage screen, and once it gets to 100, your PlayStation 4 is going to restart, etc. And then your PlayStation 5 is going to like restart, and then you'll be able to play your PlayStation while you are actually transferring your data. So the screen will go away, and you will go to like the home screen on your PlayStation 5. And you can play your games while everything is transferring in the background, which is very, very cool. Alright, now I'm going to press the PlayStation button on my controller, and my PlayStation has now restarted. And I can see the home screen, so let's press the PlayStation button, and then go to download/uploads, and I can see the data transfer is right at the top, and I can go to downloads and just check this. So for about 5 gigabytes, maybe it's going to take about 5 to 10 minutes for me. I would say maybe 2 to 3 hours to transfer a couple hundred gigabytes from your PS4 to your PlayStation 5. Let's go ahead and check my friends list and see if I'm signed in now. So you should be able to play online multiplayer while you're downloading your games from your PS4 in the background. So it's very easy to transfer your data. If this video did indeed help you out, go and leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech help videos coming up next on Your Six Studios.